You can manifest media. Let me tell you how I manifested media. I manifested over 100 media mentions, and I talk about it in my Manifest Tenfold course. Well, I manifested the Steve Harvey Show. I manifested Oprah's own contest. I won third place with 7.8 million votes, and it was 3 weeks before the contest ended. Okay, all right, thank you. Yeah, bye-bye. I manifested Forbes, Fortune, Good Housekeeping. I mean, so many, lots and lots of other media mentions that I got and been in magazines and just so many things. Well, one of the techniques that I did was before I would go to sleep at night, I would see myself in these media outlets. I would see myself in magazines. I would see myself on TV shows. I would see myself talking about my journal on TV, my success journal. I would see myself with people like Whoopi. I would see myself with other, celebrities and just being interviewed. And I'm telling you, it all came to pass. You can manifest media too.